If you run a small business and you're still doing your bookkeeping in a shoebox, or not doing it at all, this tracker is going to change that. One spreadsheet handles your transactions, tax estimates, financial health score, and a full dashboard. Let me show you how it works. Before anything else, take 30 seconds to read the Start Here tab. It lays out the 4-step workflow and explains the color coding. Blue cells are your inputs, black cells are calculated automatically, and green cells pull from other sheets. Following this color system means you'll never accidentally overwrite a formula. This is where you do your bookkeeping. Every income payment and every business expense gets logged here, one row per transaction. For each entry, fill in the date, a description, the category, and the amount. Revenue goes in as a positive number. Expenses go in as negative. Then set the type to income or expense. The category dropdown is key. You've got 12 expense categories built in: payroll, rent and utilities, marketing, software and tech, travel, professional fees, equipment, insurance, meals and entertainment, cost of goods sold, other expense, and revenue. Categorizing correctly is what feeds your expense breakdown charts on the dashboard and keeps your books clean for tax time. At the bottom, the summary auto calculates total revenue, total expenses, net profit, and profit margin, plus a full expense breakdown by category showing each category's dollar amount and percentage of total spend. You never touch any of this, it updates the moment you log a transaction. Next, the tax estimator. This is where small business owners get the most value and the most surprises. Fill in 4 things: your business structure, sole proprietor, LLC, S Corp, or C Corp, your filing status, your state income tax rate, and any additional W-2 income outside the business. Your revenue and net profit pull in automatically from your transaction sheet, no re-entering needed. The tax breakdown then calculates every line. Self-employment tax at 15.3%, the SE tax deduction that reduces your adjusted gross income, estimated federal income tax based on current brackets, and state income tax at your rate. At the bottom you get your total estimated tax and your quarterly payment with the 4 due dates. In this example, that's $610 per quarter due in April, June, September, and January. Set a calendar reminder right now and transfer that amount into a separate savings account each month so you're never caught short at filing time. This is the tab that makes this tracker genuinely different from a basic bookkeeping spreadsheet. Enter 7 balance sheet numbers: cash, accounts receivable, inventory, current liabilities, total assets, total debt, and monthly operating expenses. The tracker calculates 4 professional financial ratios and scores each one out of 25 points. Quick ratio: can you pay your short-term bills without selling inventory? Cash runway: how many months could you survive if revenue stopped today? Gross profit margin: what do you keep after the cost of what you sell? And debt to equity: how leveraged are you? Add them up and you get a score from 0 to 100 with a letter grade, D through A. A 70, like in this example, is a B+ healthy. Each ratio comes with a plain English explanation and a clear target, so you know exactly which number to improve next. The dashboard pulls everything together automatically. 4 headline KPIs: total revenue, total expenses, net profit with margin percentage, and estimated tax owed with the quarterly amount. Below that, a monthly P&L chart, an expense breakdown chart, the health score with each ratio's result, and the full tax estimator breakdown. All auto-updating. You never type a thing here, it's your command center. That's the full tracker. Log transactions as they happen, fill in the tax estimator once a quarter, update your health score monthly, and let the dashboard show you the full picture automatically. And remember, the tax figures are estimates. Always run your final numbers by a licensed CPA before filing. But this tracker means you walk into that meeting knowing your numbers, and that saves you money. Download link is in the description. Subscribe for more.